The OnePlus S5 Pro has been launched in China on December 26, 2024. It is not officially launched in India as of June 15, 2025, and it's expected that the S series will remain exclusive to China. However, some reports suggest that the vanilla OnePlus S5 might be rebranded as the OnePlus 13R for the Indian market. Here is a summary of its key specifications based on available information. OnePlus S5 Pro key specifications: display 6.78-inch LTP AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution, 2780 x 1264 pixels, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and up to 4500 nits peak brightness. Protected by crystal sealed glass. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. Some sources mention Snapdragon 8 Elite Extreme Edition. This is a 3nm processor. RAM available in 12GB and 16GB LPDDR5X RAM options. Storage available in 256GB, 512GB and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage options. Rear camera: triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary sensor, Sony IMX906 with OIS, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera. Front camera: 16 megapixel selfie camera. Battery: 6100 MHz battery with 100 watt super VW fast charging, claimed to charge 0 to 100% in 35 minutes. Operating system: Android 15 with ColorOS 15.0 on top. Other features: in-display optical fingerprint sensor, IP65 dust and water resistance, dual stereo speakers with O reality audio. Connectivity: 5G, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS. Dimensions: 161 x 72 x 75.77 x 8.14 mm. Weight: 203 grams. Glass or ceramic models may vary slightly. Colors: cherry purple, submarine black and white moon porcelain ceramic. No 3.5mm headphone jack. Expected price in China converted. The price for the OnePlus S5 Pro starts at CNY 3399, roughly rupees 39,000 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model. Higher configurations are priced accordingly. It's important to note that while the phone has been officially launched in China, its availability and potential rebranding for other markets like India are subject to change.